What's good, man? I got a good one for y'all, man. As y'all can tell by the title and thumbnail what this video finna be about, man. I know a lot of y'all feel like y'all stuck in life right now, man. I know a lot of y'all feel like you making you making progress, but you getting knocked back 5, 10 steps. I'm gonna tell you why, man. It's a reason why you feel that way, man. It's a reason why you feel stuck in life, man. Why you feel like you can never get over that hump. And it's 4 reasons why you really feel stuck in life, man. So y'all bear with me, man. I got my laptop right beside me, man, to keep me on track with my notes and everything. But all right, for starters, man, the reason why you feel like you're stuck in life, man, is because you have no purpose. Yes, you have no purpose, man. You wake up every day just drifting through life, letting life you, right? You got to understand, man, a man or a woman without purpose is just nothing, right? You got to understand you must have some type of purpose about yourself when you get up each and every day so you can strive for something, right? If you're just sitting around all day chilling, not doing nothing, you work, you come home, you scroll, you on social media, you chilling, like that's not a life fulfilling. So yeah, you're gonna feel stuck in life. You're gonna feel like you got nothing going on because you don't, you basically wake up with no sense of urgency. You wake up just letting life, man, right? Just going with the flow. I wake up today, you just flowing, man. You just flowing. You have no sense of direction. That's really killing you, right? You have no sense of direction, man. And you gotta understand, man. Most successful people, they own their purpose, man. They understand that they gotta go with the flow. They gotta go with their purpose. That's what you gotta do. You gotta understand what your purpose is and how to find it so you can live out your purpose. Most people go live their day to day according to their purpose. It's purpose, work, and then something else. Or it's purpose, God, work. Purpose always first. Purpose is always first, man. I want y'all to understand, man. Focus on your purpose. If you have nothing to strive for, right? What are you living for? So you get up every day feeling like your life is stuck. You go to work, you work, then you go home and you're like, what else I'm gonna do? Right? You don't have nothing else to do. So you're gonna feel like you're stuck. You like, man, I don't know. Or what you had, you might have started something, but then you didn't finish it, right? So that's still like a lack of purpose. Look, what you need to do is find your purpose. How did I find my purpose? Or how can you find your purpose? Purpose is, bro, something that's on your mind, on your dire mind that you've been thinking about for years, days, months, and you just never act on it. And then it feels like work. It's work, but it don't feel like work. You get what I'm saying? It's something that don't feel like work. You can make money off of. That's your purpose, right? That could be, say you like to draw. You love drawing. You feel at peace when you're drawing. That's your purpose. You like making content to help other people. That's your purpose, right? You like to cook. You like, oh, I can do a food truck. I might do something. That's your purpose. That's your purpose, man. Once you understand that, then you start living with a sense of urgency. You start living like you're looking forward to the day because you know you're living out your purpose. But when you don't do that, then that's when you feel like you're stuck. You feel like, man, I don't know what to do. What I should be doing. You lack it, bro. But you gotta find your purpose first. A man that's lacking purpose is nothing, bro. I promise you. Once you find your purpose, bro, you're gonna feel good about yourself. You're gonna feel very great about yourself, man. I promise you that. I feel good. I feel like this is my purpose. I feel like for a long time, man, I did a lot of things. I sold shoes. I sold shoes. I cut grass. I do a lot of things, but I thought shoes were my purpose. But little do I know, this is my purpose: helping other people, striving for them to be the best version of themselves, bringing my knowledge to the table so I can help y'all. That's feel like more people that I can impact, the more that my purpose is being fulfilled. And that's what I feel like my purpose is. So I want you to find your purpose. That's number one. Before you can do anything in this world, you must find your purpose so you have a sense of clarity and a sense of direction of exactly where your life need to be. So that's number one right there. The reason why you feel like you're stuck because you lack no purpose. So you must find your purpose first, man. Number two, let's get into it. Number two is the really kind of correlate to that, right? Kind of, sort of, but number two is, bro, you lack accountability, man. I really feel like people that lack accountability will always feel behind in life because they always blame other people for what their life has turned out to be or what their life is currently is now. You got to take accountability for your own fucking life. It's your fucking life, not them, not them. Your fucking life. You are exactly where you at because of you. Don't blame your mama. Don't blame your daddy. Don't blame your friends. Don't blame your teacher. Don't blame your professor. It's fucking your fault. Take accountability. Tell yourself, man, I didn't go harder than I should. I let this feelings get in me, so I can't do this. Right? Take accountability. Right? Your relationship went bad, maybe because of you. Take accountability, man. Once you start taking some type of accountability for your life, then you will see that, man, life not really that bad. I shouldn't feel this way. Once you feel like something wrong, you take accountability and say, look, man, my fault. I was wrong. I'm sorry about that. I apologize. I'm taking accountability for my actions. That's what being a man is all about. Taking accountability, man. Grow up. Grow up. Literally grow up. You gotta take accountability, man. I think a lot of people are scared to take accountability. They don't wanna they just feel like it's everybody else's fault why they not where they need to be, and that's completely false. They didn't tell you, bro. My thing about this, right? When it comes to people not taking accountability, thinking that their life is where it's at because other people, that person ain't in your life 24/7. That person not around you 24/7. That person or people are not telling you get up in the morning. They're not telling you not to go for your dreams, not to go for your goals. They're not telling you that. You deciding to do that. You deciding to do that. Yeah, you may say, man, we hurt my feelings. So fucking what? People hurt your feelings all fucking day. But why let that get to you? So then when they get to you, like, man, fuck that. They the reason why I'm in this fight anyway. No, nigga, you are. Start taking some accountability for your fucking actions. That's another reason why a lot of y'all feel like y'all fucking stuck. You stuck in life because you can't take no accountability, bro. Once you take that, man, I promise you, you'll feel like a whole fucking shoulder been fucking rock been off your shoulder, man. If I'm saying it right. For real, man. I take accountability for my life where it's parts of my life where I could have been better, or I should have did X, Y, Z. I should have did this instead. But I'm taking it now. I always take accountability now. It took me some time, man, but a couple years ago I've been taking accountability for where my life was going and what was headed to. But I decided to change it. I started to say, look, it ain't your fault, it's my fault. I didn't go hard enough. I didn't strive hard enough. That's how y'all gotta think, bro. Start thinking like that. Right? Change your accountability. Change the way you think about how people look at you or view you. Then you will change everything. But it starts with taking accountability first. You got to change the way you think, bro. Accountability is like by far one of the best traits a man can have. When he know he wrong, when he know he shouldn't, when he know he didn't do what he supposed to be doing, when he know, when he fucking knows, but then he take accountability and say, okay, my bad, my bad. Then you feel unstuck in life, man. I want y'all to feel unstuck, man, but you gotta really take some accountability first, man. Understand where your life is at right now, to this day, you watching, it's all on you. It's your fucking fault. Nobody else's. It's your fucking fault. Take some accountability, man, the fuck up. Then move on. Then start getting your life in order. So that's number two, man. Start taking accountability. That's the reason why you feel like you're stuck in life, man. We're going right through this video, man. I thought it was gonna be longer than this, but we're going right through it. Number three. Let me get back on track, man. Number three. Oh man, number three. This should be number one. You are addicted to vices. Oh man, y'all are addicted to so many vices, man. Especially as men. It's killing y'all, man. It's draining y'all. People that smoke weed all day, every fucking day, every morning. You gotta roll one up. Get in the car, you gotta roll one up. You're with your friends, you gotta roll one up. Gotta go to the store, gotta buy this, gotta buy this, gotta meet the weed man. Do you not know what that shit is doing to your fucking brain? Why you feel like you definitely ain't gonna go nowhere in life if you keep smoking weed every fucking day. Then you on top of that, you drinking alcohol. That's another vice. People that be like, man, I just drink occasionally, man, when I go to such and such party or when I do this XYZ. Drinking is by far the worst thing you can do, bro. Drinking fuck with your mind. It fuck with your brain. It fuck with your cognitive function, bro. You can't function when you drinking, bro. When you get drunk. Why you think you have hangovers? Why you think you fall asleep afterwards? That's a vice. You got to get rid of that shit, bro. Yeah, man, but man, look, everybody in this party drinking. So fucking what? Let them fucking drink. You don't gotta drink. You don't. Make that fucking decision. Fuck, man. You gonna he jump off a bridge? You gonna jump off a fucking bridge? No. So stop fucking drinking because everybody else is drinking. Stop smoking weed because everybody else is doing it. You want to be fit. You want to fit in the fucking crowd, right? The thing I'm gonna tell you what y'all do, man. Y'all do what y'all gotta do Monday through Friday. Then on the weekend, man, I'm about to drink. You start drinking, man. You start partying, you start smoking. Then you go, but then you gotta come back Monday to work. Then you gotta get back in that flow state. Then you realize, damn, my finances not in order because you fucking drink, bro. You're smoking weed every damn day. You gotta let that stuff go, man. Vices are killing you. The number one vice I feel like is killing a lot of men today and women is fucking porn. Pornography is killing us right now, man. Pornography is killing you, bro. You know what you've been doing late at night. You're on Instagram. You find a big booty chick. You find a video. You bust one off. You throw your towel in the hamper, and you go back. Keep scrolling. You go back and find you another one. You don't beat off 3-4 times in one night. Now you feel so drained. In the next day, you can't even function right. You got so much brain fog. You don't even remember your last name. It's because you watch so much fucking porn. Your dopamine receptors are fucking fried. Porn got to go. That's the number one vice that's really killing a lot of men. Porn and lust, man. Y'all gotta, bro. I'm telling you, it almost had a stroll on me. I been there, bro. We all been there. We all been there, bro. We all been late at night. We been there, man. But once you get free from that, bro, you'll feel like a whole new man. You feel like you got some sense of urgency, some sense of purpose with your life. But you must let that porn go, man. You gotta let it go. Them vices, man, is killing you. They are killing you, man. The weed, the porn, the alcohol, that's just keeping you stuck in life. You may think it's not, but bro, all that stuff is temporary feeling, temporary pleasure. Then when you go home, you feel like shit. Next day, you feel like shit. You gotta let all that bullshit go, bro. I want to see y'all fucking win. I want y'all to get unstuck out of life, man. But you gotta realize what is keeping you stuck. Take some accountability. Why you stuck? That was number two. You stuck because you watch porn. You stuck because you drink. It's because you smoking every day. Man, Snoop Dogg doing Snoop Dogg fucking rich, nigga. Oh, such and such drink, they good. They already got it. Ted Cruz, he watched porn and he got, bro, he said he was addicted. He was married and still watching porn. He was addicted. He was, bro, it's killing you, man. That's what's keeping you stuck in life, man. Get rid of your fucking vices. And I promise you, you'll be a fucking better person. And we're gonna get to the last and final one, man. Y'all bear with me, man. Oh my God, the last one, bro. So number four, a lot of y'all are not willing to learn new things. You're not willing to learn new things, man. I think that's keeping y'all stuck, man. You only think about one thing and one thing only. You think your job is enough. You think reading one book is enough. You think doing XYZ is enough when there's so much more you can learn. There's so much more you can learn to move the needle forward for you to be unstuck in life. I think this world is conditioned most of y'all to think one way. You must think multiple ways to be successful. You must think multiple ways to unstuck your life. Multiple fucking ways. How to do that is by learning more new things, learning new skills, learn how to sell, learn how to market, learn how to post videos, learn how to do certain things. Read books. Books have got so many knowledge, so much knowledge in them, bro. I want you to understand, man. You got to learn a lot to do a lot. It's not easy. None of this shit is easy, bro. But there's then the reason why you feel like you stuck, right? Your mama telling you, you don't got to learn that right now, man. You good. Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what we're doing right here. But you know you need to learn something new. Learn it. That may be the reason why you feel like you're stuck in life because you've been doing the same routine, same thing, but not learning nothing new with your life. Not doing nothing new with your life. Turn up on these motherfuckers, man. Turn up. It's easy to learn something new, man. You got YouTube, you got Instagram, you got TikTok. If you don't know how to cook, learn how to cook. If you don't know how to drive, learn how to fucking drive. Learn something. Learn something, bro. Learn a new skill that's gonna make you some money. Stop being in the same spot, bro. That's what's going on in this world, man. A lot of y'all are in the same spot, not willing to learn nothing new with your life, not wanting to do nothing new with your life. I'm tired of seeing it. I'm trying to bring awareness, bro. I'm trying to bring awareness to why you feel like you stuck in life. I'm trying to bring awareness, bro. Y'all gotta understand, bro. This life shit is a video game. You gotta keep leveling up, leveling up. You can't stay the same. You stay the same in the game, you get nowhere in the game. But once you start learning new things, once you start seeing new missions, you know what I'm saying? You get to go up. Your money start piling up. You gotta unstuck your life, man. I know you can do it. I know you can do it, man. It's a better life on the other side of all this shit, bro. But you gotta be willing to sacrifice. You gotta be willing to say no to a lot of things. You gotta be willing, bro. I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody eat. Are you willing to eat? Are you willing to grow? But you gotta learn new things first, man. Learn them. Learn them and apply them. And that's a lot of things. A lot of people, a lot of things that y'all don't do is y'all want to learn new things, but you don't apply. If you apply, you apply for 1 week. Apply for the rest of your fucking life so you can turn that shit around. When you learn something new, apply it immediately. You may fail, but failure, you gotta let failure be the reason why you grow. Embrace fucking failure. Because you're learning something new. Nothing is hard, it's just new. I learned that from a guy named Cry on YouTube. I am Cry. Y'all check him out on YouTube. He always says, it's not hard, it's just new. You're doing something new. And I really believe that. A lot of y'all don't like to do certain things because it's new. You feel like it's hard. It ain't that hard, man. Look at me recording. This is not hard to me. It's just new. I'm learning new things. I'm learning how to edit. I'm learning how to, talk to the camera. I'm learning how to connect with the audience. I'm learning. Am I perfect? Fuck no. But I'm growing each and every video, man. I'm growing each and every video, man. But that's the video for today, man. I hope y'all can look at these 4 lessons, man, and look at these 4 reasons why you feel like you're stuck in life and analyze your life and break out of that, man. I want to see y'all break out of it, man. Right? Break out of all this cycle, man. I want you to take some accountability, man. Take some accountability, man. Right? Learn new things. Right? Cut away all your vices. Cut your vices, man. Cut them. Cut vices gonna kill you, man. I'm telling you. Vices will kill you, man, in the end. I had to look back at this because I forgot, man. But look, always remember, man, find your purpose. Find your purpose. I want you to find your purpose and live out your purpose, man. All right? That's a video for today. Quan out. Peace.